Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to get today's date in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking projects, managing deadlines, or simply need to timestamp your work automatically. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Smartsheet account to access all your sheets and files. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. Here, you'll see all your existing files and sheets displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to add today's date. Once you've found it, click on that file or sheet to open it. This will load the sheet in your workspace, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Now that your sheet has loaded, you need to make sure you have a column with the column type set to date. This is crucial because Smartsheet needs to recognize that you're working with date values. If you already have a column designated as a date column, you're all set and can move on to the next step. However, if you don't have a date column yet, you'll need to create one or modify an existing column. To do this, you can either add a brand new column or adjust an existing one. Right-click on the header of the column you want to modify. From the menu that appears, select Column Properties. This will open a dialog box where you can change various settings for that column. Look for the column type option and change it to date. This ensures that Smartsheet will properly format and handle the date values you enter. Once you have your date column ready, select any cell underneath that column header. Now comes the simple part. In that cell, type =sign today. This is Smartsheet's built-in function that automatically pulls the current date. After typing this formula, press Enter on your keyboard, and just like that, the cell will display today's date. This formula is dynamic, meaning it will update automatically each time you open the sheet, always showing the current date. This makes it perfect for tracking when entries were made or for keeping your data current without manual updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.